What's going on, everybody? How we doing? It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. I am in the quad. I just got that gray house back there done. Unbelievable record time. And I'm not kidding you. I got out of the truck at 9 o'clock. Took my time completely. When I was done, it was 9:26. Usually, that's a 38-minute yard. I am still trying to wrap my mind around why. But you know what? I'm not going to worry about it anymore. It is what it is. We're onward, we're upward, moving forward. Man, we've got a lot of work coming. And I'm going to get as much of that yard in the corner there as I can for you. I'm not going to do a super lot of video taping the yards and stuff, but I'll get 1.5, something like that for you. Whew, I'll tell you what, man, it is pay week and it is feeling good. They just took my last amount of taxes out and I'm feeling so good about it. So hey, let's get over there and let's get to work, guys. I'm pumped, feeling good. Let's go. Put you over on the other side so you can see the stripes. This yard is beautiful now. We'll be right back. Alright guys, that one is done, man. That thing is a big, hold on, I got grass all over this camera. I'll tell you what, that thing is a beast, man. My knee was feeling really good until I had to move that stupid trampoline, which I'm getting about tired of that already. It's only been 3 weeks. Clean this off. Anyway, got 2 more. I don't even know how long that took me. I don't time that when that thing is a bear to do. So got 1 down here, and then I'll get some footage of the last one. And still thinking, really think I'm going to go the sub route. How I'm going to do it, I don't know. There's a couple people I want to talk to. I'm going to cut back on the hedge trimming quite a bit. And look, the wife and I sat down, we figured it all out. We know what we have to live and exceed above that. I know a lot of people out there like, you're in business to make money. You're not in business to just stay at one place. I kind of am now. I've been doing it 11 years. I started late in my life. And for all the guys that are 26, 29, 30, that's all well and great. I've only got like 17 years left, which is a long time, but I'm kind of enjoying this. I know I got Sunday off. I got next Sunday off. I can kind of do what I want. So I haven't had that in a long, long, long time. I have worked 7 days a week. In fact, kind of crazy for anybody to believe, but old Doc, when he was 38 till he was 45, worked 7 days a week without a day off, all from spring, summer, and fall. So I'm looking forward to a little bit of peace. So anyway, let's get on to the next one, guys, and knock these out. Let's go. All right, guys, I am done for the day. I wasn't able to get any more footage. This is the one I just did. Beautiful yard, man. I think we're going to be aerating this one. Not 100% sure, but it's really a nice yard. And they do all their own fertilizing, and all I do is aerate it for them, and keeps it looking good. We got to get back. I've got to get back and get the aerator fixed. So I'm going to show you what happened to it and get the sucker fixed so we can get out this weekend. And a big, huge, small channel shout out to, let me think here, let me think. Grass Monkey TV. Guys, Grass Monkey TV. Dan is down there in Tennessee, man, getting it done. And he's got one of those Spartan mowers. I'll tell you what, go check him out, man. Awesome guy, and he's out there knocking it out, working a full-time job too. Gotta have respect for that. Also, the other small channel shout out, East Tennessee Lawn Care. My buddy Mikey. You know, Mikey's an awesome guy, man. He works hard, and talked to Mikey about a year ago. Kind of gave him some advice. He took it, and daggone him, he always thanks me, but you know what? He's the one doing the work. So, all right, guys, let's get back to my house, get that aerator fixed, and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, guys, we are back home, and we are getting ready to fix the Ryan aerator. There's beautiful Miss Sarah. She's taking all of the groceries in the house, guys. So what I'm going to do is take this little cover off here and show you what was wrong with it. So let's get to it. It's a 4mm. It's a 4mm Allen wrench. Got to get my pliers here. I'll show you right here. This is the problem. That was completely loose. Gotta put these bolts in here with a, if you don't know, that's called a flare nut. See, it's got the washer built in. And of course somebody's calling me. Alright guys, so I'm not going to be able to talk my way through this, but right there is one of the bolts, and I've got 3 bolts to put in, so once I get them done I'll show you. But that is how my employee brought this thing back, was with no nuts, with just 1 bolt through it and the chain off. Yeah, I don't know how that works, but we'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you ever have to work on that sprocket, there's only 3 bolts that goes in it. And then I will show you how to tighten that chain up, because that chain has become extremely loose. You can see it. It's just way too loose. So we'll show you how to tighten that up. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but you can watch me put this last one in here. It's a little difficult. Thank goodness for these ratcheting SK wrenches, because they work great on this. Wrong side. I'm not going to be able to get a socket back in here. And you want to tighten them as tight as they will go. They will actually stop on their own. But that's what the bolts look like in there. There's only 3. So how you run an aerator with that just hanging is beyond me. I have no idea, but never ceases to amaze me. So let's tighten the chain up and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so on the Ryans you've got 2 different spots where you can adjust. I always do this one first. That's going to pull that chain back and pull it tighter. Well, we may have to do the bottom one as well, so let's see how it looks. This is a 14 millimeter, by the way. And that, to me, is about where you want it. So get it a little tight, and then you can kind of see where it's at. Now let's drop the tines down, and that's pretty good. So yes. Put that on there. Put that on there to tighten it up. And there it is. That thing should be ready to rock and roll. Let's take it out in my yard and see how it runs. Okay, so the aerator is fixed, ready to go for this Saturday. Oh, SK, man. Just telling you, love my SK. Anyway, got to give a huge shout out to my man Drew with Drew's Lawns. He's coming down Saturday to help old Doc finish up about 7 or 8 aerations. And man, that thing runs freaking brand new now. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of a hodgepodge mess, but it's my day. So as always, Dr. Real was in the house. Keep it real, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.